This is how you can install most of Artika's Hugger fans. Always refer to the instruction manual for all the steps. As a general contractor, I've installed my fair share of ceiling fans. And what I love most is a ceiling fan that combines multiple useful functions and ease of installation. Let's make sure we've got all the pieces. Lay everything out and match it with the manual to avoid surprises later. First, remove the mounting bracket from the light fixture. Align your mounting bracket with your junction box. Insert the junction box screws into the mounting bracket. Using a pen or pencil, mark the mounting holes for the wall anchors through the mounting bracket. Now remove the mounting bracket and the junction box screws. Drill the holes for your wall anchors in the previously marked spots. Install the wall anchors in the holes. Reinstall the mounting bracket with the junction box screws, aligned with the installed wall anchors. Insert the retaining screws into the wall anchors and install the L bracket onto one of the retaining screws. Secure your Darren LED ceiling fan to the L bracket with the safety cable. Now connect the wires, attach the wire connectors. Install the light fixture and insert the canopy screws. Installation complete. Your new Darren LED ceiling fan is now mounted and ready to bring sleek elegance and functionality to any room it's installed in.